We're here in Collegetown Plaza. We're going to visit apartment 8K, but before we go in, I wanted to show you the location of the elevator. It is just across the hall, so that's the proximity of the K apartments to the elevator. That's very convenient to get on and off, but just something to be aware of. There are 5 studio apartments on every floor, H, I, J, K, L. They're available on floors 2 through 9, and we're on a high floor here. Because we're on a high floor, we've got an extra perk in the dishwasher. You can, with a dishwasher here in the kitchen, that is available just on floors 8 and 9. As you can see in the kitchen, we'll enter, and there's that refrigerator, the elevated microwave, the sink, that dishwasher, again, just on the top 2 floors, and the stove and oven, and cabinets and counters, and a couple drawers. Let's take a look in the bathroom before we see the rest of the unit. The bathroom is across from the kitchen. It's just like the bathroom in all of the apartments here in Collegetown Plaza. We have that tub shower with the sliding door, the vanity with the cabinets that do open underneath the toilet, and over on our wall is a small cabinet that opens and your towel bars. Let's go on into the main part of the apartment. The furnishings in all of these studios will be the same. It will be the desk and chair, the tall bookshelf, the dining table and chair. We have the dresser over here and the full-size bed. We've got a closet over here. And so there's the closet. So the shape is the same for all of these units. On floors 8 and 9, we get that dishwasher. And on floors 7, 8, and 9, the air conditioning unit is below the window. That means you can open both sides of those windows. So one advantage of the higher floors is you're going to get the best view. So we're up on 8. It's afternoon here. We get great west sun, so that means some sunsets. And this is a beautiful valley view over here. It's really nice, great views to have. I'm going to zoom in as we look over to our north, and we have there we go, come on in. A great view of Cayuga Lake out there. So we've got a lake view over to our right that's looking to the north. Collegetown Plaza is located at 111 Dryden Road. We're right in the center of Collegetown. We're located just 1 block to campus. So this is apartment 8K, a high floor elevator building. And this is a studio apartment up on a high floor located at 111 Dryden Road, just 1 block to campus.